Welcome do-it-yourself people. Today we're working in the garden and I'm planting tomatoes. All you need to do is get some tomato seeds, some dirt. I have an egg carton and I'm using eggs. I filled them up with dirt. I put a few of my seeds in it. Just one or two in each one. Moisten it. Keep it in a warm place, keep it moist, and that's all you need to do. And in no time, you will get some seedlings. Here's an example of ones that I grew a couple weeks ago. And you have small seedlings coming up. After this, you will have your seedlings growing with additional leaves, such as this one. And these are going to be ready to be planted in a bigger planter. The same thing, you'll see that these are a little bit stronger. This definitely needs a bigger planter, and this one will be in a bigger planter too, as you see some flowers growing. And in no time we will have tomatoes. It's that easy. It's about a 3 to 4 months process, and the tomatoes grow for a few months, and that's it. Thank you for watching Do It Yourself People.